Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold an origami crab. So to start, let's flip our paper over so the white side is up. As you can see, I've done a few folds, but I'm going to show you just what I did. So first, we're going to fold the bottom corner so it meets the top, just like this. Then we'll undo that, turn the paper, and fold it again so the other corners also meet. Great. Then we're going to unfold that, flip the paper back over so the orange is up, and then we're going to fold the bottom so it meets the top. This time though, we'll end up with a rectangle instead of a triangle. So with all those folds completed, we're going to undo this one. We're going to lift the paper so the middle is kind of pointing up like this. We're just going to bring the paper together and form this triangle. You should see the flaps underneath like this. Great. So now turn the paper so the bottom point is facing you. We're going to take the right flap, the top flap, and fold it up like this. Great. We're going to repeat so the left side is even. Now we're going to flip the model, and we're going to take the right flap and fold it underneath, as so. So you're making a crease from here, this point, all the way to the center, underneath, just like that. Now we're going to make the left the same way. Excellent. So these 2 points should be about even. Now, let's flip the model over. And we're going to bring this point upward, just about where the two claws point out. Lastly, we're just going to make 2 extra folds on the 2 claws. All right, flip your model over, and you have a completed origami crab. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you check out all our other origami animals.